So I only went at this video to make a share button to Salmozia. Those arrested pastors in Anambra State court today. Appear in court today. They appeared in court today, and these are the names of the pastors in court today. Number 1 is Peter Shuku. Number 2 is Shinedu Egwuonwu. Number 3 is Bishop Emeka Nwampa. Onye nke adụkọ nya nọ na 33 ya Ọnịcha. Onye nke a abịara arrest ebe ọ nọ na pulpit. Onye nke a nọ na pulpit na-eme hori shekiri mama before ndị udogachi wee wuchie n'ime ife a. So members ọsọ wee gwa ha cool onu down. Anyị abịara ọfụ unu anyị bịara maka Mr. Nwampa, Emeka Nwampa. So Ebele Unachukwu, Ekeleme Chris Ugochukwu, Ndubisi Unachukwu, Miracle Iruoma, and Chukwu Kadibia Ogwama. Onye nke ahụ nteje. Go. So I repeat again: Peter Chukwu, Shinedu Egwuonwu, Bishop Emeka Nwampa, Ebele Nnachukwu, Ekeleme Chris Ugochukwu, Ndubisi Nnachukwu, Miracle Iruoma, and the Chukwu Kadibia Ogwama. So these are the names of the pastors that was arrested and they are in court today. So another kind of publicity, because now according to Mazi Dibia, ABS supposedly ibuye, NTA supposedly ibuye, DSTV channels niile supposedly ibuye, African Magic, Soludo supposedly donona, kuna arrest in the pastors. A kind of publicity actual, manakwa gunga, na arrest akwa, mwamiliha, and all these other native doctors, though popular today, a pastor, a native doctor, arrested. The mother Mahunyo, only in Kanway Kusaga, Kirifa that man, marriage, that can doka my way Kusaga, Imunyo, Mahunyo, Afaya had mentioned mostly. That is because on them will so much interest, never not because now we guard or security aga or hotel you see, but attention had to focus more on those ones who will go and they could see Rizakwa, Momiri, no Colon Ogene, Onwa, publicize Melu, arrest them 1 million eke hit and do to her. Or basa because no failure alo unu failure ifojo. So tell me, since your government jiweku legend the pastors, how many churches came for portal they vote against the government? How many times came for churches say portal? Leku na Soludo na Wando Kamba happen the pastors sunuji. How many times? Because now crime edgeway arrest her is unchristian. Crime edgeway arrest her is not who we are as Christians. And as a pastor, EG defend her, it means it means no compromise go or your core value as a Christian, not to talk of even a leader in that vineyard. So you see, the difference is clear. Once more, nduke gosikwa nono ifoka juwe uloka. Okay, gosikwa nono ifoka juwe uloka. Onwa onye ama Emeka Nwampa do very powerful na 33. Kelafo onye nke obosi a. Emeka Nwampa onyado nke 33 ko obosi. Emeka Nwampa do nke 33. Onwere nke obosi. Chukwu Kadibia nke obosi. I start to be corrected. Chukwu Kadibia nke obosi. Emeka Nwampa nke 33. Then kenke wonye lo ko funanya Ochukwu Kadi. Okay, I stand to be corrected, but I'm not 3 out of these people, Chukwu Kadibia, Emeka Nwampa, and another person name her very on the well crowd where people or kanko. So now, how many times came through their church members or na justice for you? All these people are arrested about with physical congregation of people who have been at church. A damn noise, a damn demonstration. Frebe Bupleka Bagari, Freba Facebook will come, allowing the government to do their work. If we leave a ditch and Manankono, hey, Anna Chundo Menana, Anna Chundo Denana, Soludo against Denana practice. Without you people, either one the mother, Nefa Kwahale is not what the true Ordinana entails. Nefa Ndaneme is not Omenanibo. Nefa Ndaneme is not who we are. Manono Potaroro, Manabo, Nakanabo. Ne defend the year if ono mana jife. Mwejo na juju. Umado ne ke fugolo potalo na anuogo. Even mwe ekuru makanke Reverend Chaloko, who an Anglican priest. Umado ne nime ha. Umado ne nime Anglican. Careful, potalo. Baby akuoku. How many people came for potalo baby akuoku? I am asking you. How many people came for potalo? Baby akuoku. Did you see anybody? The answer is no. That is to show you that now, if we for jaw. Boy, if for jaw. If for jaw, so. Here are so go and so. Boy, for jaw. You did not see any Christian anywhere coming out to come and say, can you arrest in the pastor? So for now, batana, a make one batana altar, a bomb mount or altar, a kukuchu, a administration, a back at the prayer. Panic in Imu no kagodu, a back at the prayer. On a kotu, on a fugo, hey, on a forgive a dish, on a forgive a dish. If on not just say, okay, publicity, now publicize on Kenda, or Kulu Giacono, Tosa Seva. Okunu jiakono to sasiva, unu jiakono to sasiva, create we panic, raise we alarm. Nyeme otu benine, wo picture akwa na mdo to na to sase everywhere na social media. Government will decide okay, can respond to ifunleku. All na church raise the alarm. All na church raise the alarm since age we arresting the pastor. So definitely government we want to do briefing just to show the society that if a church na accuse her. Aho if hamelo that all Maka government here video maybe briefing what I go happen can people na you see if a dish who name akwasina bongo na actual only for jo differentiate between what the real and true ordinary practice is na considering in the mother ona does not cover me for jo onye kpuru ho okpuru ire akwa isi ago ire ifa na emezi alo una na defend there na protect here differentiate between agwo na akpe. Can the mother for agwo? Can the mother for akpe? Can the mother for ogu? Can the mother for agarega? Can the mother for ka? Can the mother for ifia? Fata? Differentiate him between the two. Ewe marifuno representative. This is Ezuga. I've just given you they appeared in court today. Okay, to go happy. Ke ari go Ezuga lo na nkende pastor. Ibu the news. Come ebuge. Verified news. Ezugo.